All right, we need a common factor on the denominator. So what we want to do is factor this guy here. So we have x plus 5, x minus 2. Since this is already there, I just need an x minus 2 here. But remember, you can't just multiply it on the bottom. You need to multiply it by the top and the bottom of that. Let's turn that light on. And so then what we have here is, this is our denominator, which it stays. So I don't need to worry about that. I really just need to worry about the numerator. So I really have all this mess multiplied, which is x squared plus 3x minus 2x minus 6, and then add the 6. Remember, that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to add the numerators there. So those cancel, leaves you with x squared plus x, which is right there. So that would be our answer. All right, let's look at some others of these rational expressions. Let's look at this one right here. I'll make this a little bit larger. We have stuff to deal with. We have negatives that we need to deal with, and we also have exponents. So I'm going to go ahead and deal with this stuff first, which would give me a to the negative 3, b to the 6th, and c cubed. And now I'm going to go ahead and move things to where they need to go. So my c to the negative 2, I'm going to go ahead and bump downstairs. And my a to the negative 3, I'm going to go ahead and bump upstairs. So first of all, they all have a 3, so clearly that stays in there. I have only a's on the top, so I have a to the 5th, which looks like it's here. Let's continue. The bottom would be c to the 5th, which is right, and b to the 6th, so this one would be our answer. Let's go ahead and check this one out. This one is crazy. We've got stuff that needs to move. So I'm going to do that. And now I'm going to flip it. So I have 20 on the top and 27 y squared x to the 4th on the bottom times 15x cubed on the top and 8y to the 5th on the bottom. So move your little negatives and then deal with the fact that division is really the multiplication of the reciprocal. So now we need to reduce some stuff. So what do we have? We have 4 goes into both of these. 3 goes into both of these. And so we have 25 over 18, which does eliminate both of those. So now we're just looking at these guys here. I have cubed on the top and the 4th on the bottom, so all of those cancel with that, leaving me with 1x on the bottom. And then I have a total of 7 of these dudes on the bottom here, which, oh happy days, is right there. All right, number 24. Let's see what happens here. I want to factor this. Oh, I need to take out a common factor, because look at this. All of these have a common factor, so we're going to take out a common factor. And we're going to be left with x squared minus 4, which is x plus 2, x minus 2. And if you see it on the bottom, it's almost an x minus 2 if you were to factor out a negative, which these are both factoring out a negative, so why not try it? You would get a positive x minus a 2. So you would get negative 4x plus 2, which is right here. Now, strategy. Say you had no idea what the answer was at all. You could just pick some random number to put in here. I'm going to pick 3. And then I'm also going to put 3 into each of these, and because this is supposed to be equivalent to this. So if I plug a number in here and the same number in here, I should get the same answer. So if I put a 3 in there, I get 4 times 9 minus 16, which is 36 minus 16 is what's 20. And then 2 minus a 3 is a negative 1. So this gives me negative 20. Now, down here, let's just see, since we thought this what it was, if I put in 3 plus 2, this is 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. Look at that magic. So what did I do again? These are supposed to be equivalent, so whatever I plug into here and get an answer of, I should be able to plug in here and get exactly the same answer. So how cool is that?